Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. In previous classes, we completed up to 13th problem. In this video, we are going to solve from 14th problem. Let us see the 14th one. 14th one is, in the adjacent figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strike the mirror PQ at B. Incident ray AB is the incident ray strikes PQ at B. And the reflected ray moves along with path BC and strikes mirror RS. AB strikes PQ at B and reflected ray strikes RS at C and again reflected back along CD. Prove that AB parallel to CD. This ray again reflected along CD. Then what you have to prove? AB is parallel to CD. So first of all, what is given? The given one is PQ parallel to RS. These two are mirrors and the two mirrors are parallel to each other. Here AB is the incident ray. AB is the incident ray. It strikes PQ at B and reflected along BC and again it reflected along to CD. Then you have to prove AB parallel to CD. Draw a perpendicular line to PQ. So and draw another line which is perpendicular to RS. Let us E and it is F. This is BE is perpendicular to PQ and CF is perpendicular to RS. Draw BE perpendicular to PQ and CF perpendicular to RS. Now let angle ABE equal to X, angle CBE equal to Y and angle BCF equal to Z and DCF equal to W. So this I am taking as X and it is Y, it is Z and it is W. Can see this phenomena in physics. Physics lo chustam idi. So what is that? The angle of incident equal to angle of reflect to a perpendicular. So incident ray perpendicular తో చేసే యాంగిల్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే చేసే యాంగిల్కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ యాంగిల్ Z ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ W. సో హియర్ X ఈక్వల్ టు Y and Z equal to W. Since angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflect. Okay, with the perpendicular line BE. Therefore, and here BE and CF are perpendicular to PQ and RS respectively. Therefore, BE is parallel to CF, because if two lines are perpendicular to a pair of parallel lines, then the two lines are parallel. So therefore, BE parallel to CF and BC is the transversal. BC is the transversal. Therefore, angle Y equal to angle Z. Since these two are alternate interior, these two are parallel, and this is the transversal. They are like this. These two are alternate interior angles. That is angle Y equal to angle Z. Since alternate interior angles, the two are alternate interior angles. Y equal to Z. So already we know that Y equal to X and Z equal to W. So we can write in place of Y. In place of Y we can write X, and in place of Z we can write W. Therefore angle X equal to angle W also. So by adding these two, we'll get add above two equations. So what are those? X plus Y equal to W plus Z, or Z plus W. So that means these two angle of this equal to this, X plus Y equal to Z plus W. That means angle ABC equal to angle BCD. X plus Y means ABC. Z plus W means BCD. These two angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. That means these two are any two lines, and this is the transversal. These two are alternate interior angles. If the alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, the lines AB is parallel to CD. These two lines AB is parallel to CD. This is the 14th one. So next 15th one is 15th one. In the figure given below, AB parallel to CD, EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively. Find the values of X and Y. Give reasons. In this question we have three figures. So let us see the first one. This is the first figure. So what is given? CD is parallel to AB. These two are parallel, and EF is the transversal. This transversal intersecting at G and H. So what you have to find? Find X and Y. So first given from figure AB parallel to CD and EF is the transversal. This is the transversal. By observing this figure, Y equal to 3x. That means angle CGH equal to GHB. Why? Because these two are alternate interior angles. Y equal to 3x. Since alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So next 2x plus y equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus y equal to 180, since these two are linear pair. Since linear pair. So 2x plus y equal to 180. 2x plus y. What is the y? 3x equal to 180. Since y equal to 3x. So instead of y, we written 3x. Since y equal to 3x. 2x plus 3x is 5x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 3 remainder 5 6 are 30. That is x equal to 36 degrees. Next, substitute x equal to 36 in y equal to 3x. Substituting this x equal to 36 in y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3 into x is 36. Y equal to 3 6 is 18, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10, 108 degrees. That is x equal to 36 and y equal to 108 degrees. This is first one. Next to second one. The same problem, 15. Second figure is, okay, second one is same, AB parallel to CD. From figure, AB parallel to CD and EF is the transversal. EF is the transversal. We have these two angles, that is DGE and BHG. This is 2x plus 15 and it is 3x minus 20. How these two are same side of transversal and one is interior, other is exterior. So these two are corresponding angles. That is, therefore 2x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 20 since corresponding angles. 2x taking left side minus 3x equal to minus 20 as it is, transposing right side minus 15. So 2x minus 3x is minus x equal to, both are minus n, so minus 35. So minus get cancel, x equal to 35 degrees. Okay, next third figure is, so third figure, it is also same, EB parallel to CD, EF is the transversal and it is given 3x and 4x minus 23. So by observing these two angles, these two are interior angles on the same side of transversal. So therefore they are supplementary. Therefore 3x plus 4x minus 23 equal to 180. Since interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay. So that equals 3x plus 4x is 7x minus 23 equal to 180. 7x equal to 180 minus 23 will become plus 23. 7x equal to 180 plus 23, 203. X equal to 203 by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 6 remainder, 7 9s are 63. So that is x equal to 29. So this is x. So this is the 15th problem. In next video, we will do some more problems. I think all you are following my classes. If you have any doubts, you have to write in comment box. And to get more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.